Hello, beloved Zomi people across the United States.
We are so excited to announce to you guys a continuing tradition of our Zomi Kompi, the Zolia Zotang pageant.
This year, we are proud to host Zolia Zotang 2026, a showcase of talent, confidence, and our rich Zomi culture.
This is your opportunity to step onto the stage, to shine with poise, and to represent our culture.
And the best part is, applications are open now.
Zolia Zotang, it's more than just a pageant. It's an opportunity to showcase who we are as Zomi youth.
It's a platform to showcase confidence, personality, while honoring our Zomi culture.
Whether it's your first time or you're returning, this is your opportunity to shine and to inspire.
We encourage every Zomi man and woman to participate.
What are some important dates that I should know about?
So application deadline is July 15, 2026 at 11:59 p.m.
After application closes, we're going to have our first Zoom meeting and an opportunity for you guys to know what the schedule is.
Mark your calendar and stay tuned for more updates.
Our goal is to give all Zomi youth a safe and empowering opportunity.
All applicants must be 16 and older, have a Zomi heritage, the Zomi Inquan leader must know they're representing, and all questions can be answered in Zopao or English.
Application fee is $50, and your application will only be considered complete upon payment received.
You can pay via Zelle to Sweetloon. For more question and guidance, you can contact Kaiboy or Nyang Nyang.
Zolia Zotang is a continuing tradition where we get to celebrate our culture, identity, and unity.
If you dreamed of stepping on stage, this is your moment.
This is your moment. Apply today.
We can't wait to see you at Zolia Zotang 2026.
See you soon!